Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cieraa and I. So it's been a while since I posted, and y'all, lately I've been feeling like I really want to make a new transition. So I'm about to get some dreads.
And believe I said dreads, y'all. I mean locks. I am so sorry.
I put my little swimsuit on so I could take a video of me washing my hair before I two-strand twist my hair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna two-strand twist my hair and leave them in for a month, you know, to let them lock up or whatever. I'm trying the two-strand twist method because, one, it gives me an option to see if I want to have dreads permanently. Two, I've heard that it's easier for your hair to lock up than coils. And also it helps retain some of the length that I already have with my natural hair. So a lot of people think I'm not gonna do it, and I'm here to like kind of prove them wrong. A lot of people thought, I don't know if you can hear my husband. People thought that when I was permed and my hair was long and pretty and all that stuff, that I wasn't gonna cut my hair off, and that I would, you know, revert back to getting a perm. But I am 3 years into my natural hair journey, and that doesn't include 1 year transitioning. So yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair. So I'm gonna start off with the co-wash. I'm gonna use the Purify Me co-wash by Aunt Jackie's. And I'm going to do that in the shower. It's very moisturizing, it helps with frizzy hair, it's hydrating. Also, let me put this out here since I'm already on YouTube. I have an online beauty supply store. It's called Beauty by C. I will have the link in the bio below, in the description bar below, and I want you guys to go check it out because I got this product here on Jackie's for $5.99 on my website, and I want everybody to get the deals. And I have way more than just these name brand products. I have stuff for men, I have stuff for children, I have stuff for women, I have stuff for barbers, braiders, I have some crocheted hair, I have some box braid hair, you know, braiding hair, whatever. So like, go check it out and you won't be disappointed. Okay, with that co-wash, I'm gonna follow up with my Lottie Body Milk Honey Restore Me Cream Conditioner. It deeply moisturizes and makes hair soft and manageable. So that's what I'm going to do. Then yeah, we're gonna start from there. So this is my lock journey. You guys will hopefully enjoy.
Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is hop in the shower, test the water a little bit and make sure that it's not too hot or too cold. And then I'm just going to turn around and let the water soak my hair and try to get it like drenched. It kind of takes my hair a little while for it to get drenched, but that's what I'm going to do first. Make sure I get that water in there to, you know, start making that dirt come up. Any dirt or product, make sure it's coming up. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm about to take this co-wash and go ahead and start washing my hair. I'm gonna speed things up a little bit, but if you want to see how I wash my hair in more detail, there is a video on it. But I'm just taking the co-wash and basically getting right in my scalp, just getting it real good, y'all. Just getting it real good. And after that, I'm just going to let the water just run down my hair to let the co-wash, you know, get between my strands and make sure that my hair shaft is getting a good clean as well. I'm just taking my handheld water thing and going throughout my hair to make sure I get all that co-wash out, because I don't want no type of buildup when I'm starting my lock process. I'm super excited. I miss my hair like this though. Okay, so after I made sure I got all of that co-wash out, I'm going to go ahead and split my hair into 4 different sections so I'll be able to manage my hair a little better. And I'm going to actually do a second wash with the co-wash because that's what it recommended on the bottle. And it's probably going to be better, you know, now that my hair is going to be split into some sections. So, yup. So for each section, I'm basically going back and doing a second co-wash, and then after I'm done rinsing that out of that section, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that Lottie Body conditioner right onto it, and then I'm gonna twist my hair up and put it out of the way. But I'm gonna speed up this part so this video won't be too long. So that's what I'm doing, as you can see. I also wanted to mention during this process, I'm using my fingers to detangle before I use any other tools to start detangling. My hair is so thick, y'all. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to lock my hair, because my hands have been cramping up really bad while I'm doing my hair or other people's hair. And I think this will be so low maintenance that I won't have to do my hair as often, because I want to be able to do my kids' hair when I have kids. I want to be able to, you know, not have to worry about my hands cramping up every time I do my hair. So I think this will definitely help. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm going to miss my hair being loose, but I am not going to miss this process, because y'all, I'll be in the shower for like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, trying to wash my hair and detangle it, and then have to get out and style it. So I'm definitely not gonna miss that part of it. Okay, so I am halfway through this wash process, and I'm basically just going to do the same thing on the other side after I put these two twists away. And that's basically what I'm going to do. And I'm going to kind of keep quiet for the rest of this wash process, and then we'll be on the next thing. Okay, so I'm finally done with the wash process, and I have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections. Now I'm going to get out the shower, and I'm going to wrap my hair with a towel and just sit and let my hair dry a little bit before I actually start twisting my hair. because it's just gonna make it so much easier. Alright, so now I'm in my room. I'm not in my usual spot because my husband is playing the game in our media room, and I can't do nothing with him in there. And I kind of wanted to watch TV as well. So, but I'm taking my twist down, and I'm basically just gonna part my hair the best I can. I know it's not gonna be perfect due to me not being able to see everything well. But I'm trying my best, and I just wanted to do everything myself so I didn't have to go to someone and pay, you know, $75 to $100 for them to start my locks. So I'm just gonna do it myself because I know how to do 2-strand twists. I'm natural, so I should know how to do it, right? So yeah, so I'm basically just gonna part my hair the best I can, and you know, start sectioning off before I actually start twisting at all. So I'm sectioning my hair into like 4 sections on both sides of my head to be able to start my twisting. And it'll be easier because I have so much freaking hair if my hair is sectioned off properly. Okay, so now I'm about to take my oil from Aunt Jackie's and moisturize my hair really good, and I'm going to twist that off and go on to the next parting section because I'm trying to get my parts done before I even start 2-strand twisting, so it'll be easier for me to maneuver throughout my hair, because as you can see, it's a lot of it and my hands are already hurting. So first, I want to say excuse my room, well, our room. We just got up and I wanted to hurry up and wash my hair and get that done because I had to, you know, cook dinner later on and all that stuff. And we just didn't make the bed, and yeah. But anyways, I wanted y'all to see how I parted the back of my hair, so I had my husband help position the camera, and then I'm gonna call him in again to make sure that I have my parting correct, because I want it to be as close to perfect as I can. And so yeah, I'm trying to make sure that it's right. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing I did with the front and section off 2 more sections on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward to the finish parting, but I'm about to take a break and cook dinner, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with the worst lighting ever, but it's later in the day and I don't really have my lighting tools or whatever in my room. So anyways, forget all that. We're gonna go ahead and start with the twisting process. I'm trying to part my hair the best I can in the back, and yeah, we're gonna get this done tonight. Okay, to help moisturize my hair, I'm going to use this hydrating sealing butter that I got from Aunt Jackie's as well, aka my website. So I am going to take that and just put it on my hair, and I'm not taking a lot. I'm just going to take a good amount to moisturize my hair because it is kind of dry, and I want to start my hair off with a good moisturizing and making sure I'm getting them ends. So I'm going to split that section right there into two, I believe, and then I'm gonna start just two strand twisting. Okay, so I'm basically just taking two strands of hair and twisting them around each other. If you want a more in-depth video of this, I have another video on my channel that you can go watch, because I won't be doing this again because I'm about to have locks. But anyway, you can see that stretch. It's so long. But I'm about to just fast forward through all of this, and I'll show you guys my progress. Yeah, so keep on watching. So this is what it's looking like right now. I don't know if that's too many, if I'm doing them too small or what. I'm really not even doing them perfect. I'm just picking pieces and doing them. I think my hair, if I did them bigger, I think my hair would not. If I did them bigger, they would be too thick, and I don't want them too thick. Cause like this is already a lot. Cause my hair is so thick. But I like them though. I like them ponytail and stuff. We'll see. Okay, I am done, and this is what they're looking like. Okay guys, so I ended up with 63 twists in my head, and I am super duper excited for my lock journey. And yeah, this is gonna be a new lifestyle for me, and I'm ready to get started. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.